In this video, we are going to see how we can change the relationship status on Facebook. So let's say you want to switch your relationship to something else like single, divorced, married, and so on. What you can do is just head over to your profile, and in the personal details, you click on this pencil icon, or otherwise you click on the about section and click on the personal details from here. From here, you can see the status. But let's say that if you want to edit this status, click on the pencil icon next to it. And let's say that you want to change the status to anything else like single, in a relationship status, engaged, in a civil union, and all. There are a lot of options here. You will select according to your needs. You can add your thoughts about it, click on save, and you can also enable or disable how you want to share it. Right now it's only shared with me. That means it is hidden from everyone, but if you want to share it with everyone, you can make it public. You can share it with friends and click on save again. And that is all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.